Hello, parents and students around the world. This is Mindy. We're at Cindy's Corner again. Cindy's Corner, we look at numbers. And so this one is pretty much for school kids or parents of school children or anyone who wants to do the basic function of counting. We're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just pick up my package from Target, and when I go to Target, there's a lot of construction paper, glue, things that you can use, and so that's what this message is about today. Go to Target, get some construction paper, cut out some shapes, use white 8x11 papers. Get your markers while you're there and just sit around the table and cut squares and apples and oranges and paste them to the paper. And while you're doing that, you're counting. And while you're doing that, your children are counting, your students are counting. And that's a great idea. That's a great idea for the basic functions of counting. Here's something I came up with. I got my construction paper and my glue. I came up with 7 lemons, just cutting out anything. Here is an example. 24 plus 3 equals 27. Look at the colors. Different colors for the construction paper, different colors for the numbers. Just making counting and using numbers fun. Here we have 4 oranges. Orange construction paper, white 8x11. And these are the things that you can do to make counting fun, to make adding fun, to make subtracting fun, and you're learning at the same time. We all know that what we learn at an early age is very important. Let numbers be one of the things that children could be familiar with or young adults could be familiar with. And we'll go on to decimals and variables in another video, but this is just the basic functions of counting. Here, 2 balloons. This idea is to go get stationery from your Target store, stationery from anyway, your scissors, your blueberries, which I made 4 of, and you can count. Make your videos, make your papers, glue your papers or draw your papers, write your numbers, and just have fun with numbers. So that was just some of my suggestions. Go to stationery section. Go to the stationery section and get your markers, your pens, your construction paper, your 8x11. And just write your numbers. Write your numbers, make your shapes, count. We're going to go over decimals in a nice video that's coming up. If this video is helpful to you, just like and subscribe, or like and share. And here's what I did, which I showed you before. I thought that was really great. 24 plus 3 equals 27. But just the idea of the creativity behind it, and it's simple creativity, but it's something that works and it makes numbers memorable. This is Mindy from Cindy's Corner. We're going over numbers again. And like I said, this is the basic function of numbers, just counting and adding. You can even do the subtracting. Now, instead of making shapes, here's a plain one. Well, I just took a marker and made the number 7. 7. You could make 10 of these from numbers 1 through 10. Just make shapes. Or you can make shapes, cut them out, and glue them to the paper. Just make it interesting. But you're always talking about numbers. Numbers are an important part of life, important part of thinking, and an important part of school. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome to Cindy's Corner. Like and subscribe, or like and share, and I will see you in the next video.